Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2010 Honda Ridgeline and I will show you which fuse to check in case your horn is not working. This video will apply to Honda Ridgelines made from 2006 all the way up to 2014. Okay, now the easiest and first thing you should be checking is the fuse. If the fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. One other very common cause of horn not working is the airbag clock spring. If it fails, then most likely the horn will not work, and sometimes you will get a traction or airbag light on as well. Also, you want to check all the wires towards the horn and the horn itself, but first things first, check the fuse. Horn fuse will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, very easy accessible on the passenger side right here. Now to remove the cover, you will have 4 black tabs, 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. So you want to press them and lift up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the horn fuse, it's a fuse number 13, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located right here. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.